Breaking news out of Hanover County, where officials are talking about an outbreak of COVID-19 cases at the Pamunkey Regional Jail. CBS 6's Shannon Lilly is working for you to find out more and tells us what officials have to say about the situation.
Through our 23 years, we've had many great accomplishments, and we faced twice as many storms and difficult situations. And I have to say, dealing with the COVID virus has been one of our most difficult.
A COVID-19 outbreak at the Pamunkey Regional Jail. James Willett, superintendent of the jail, announced Wednesday that despite efforts to implement safety measures beginning in early March, they were informed of their first pair of COVID-positive employees on August 20th. Then on August 28th, another employee tested positive, and another on August 31st.
On September 3rd, we received the first confirmed positive offender case, who had been isolated with cold-like symptoms within the facility for over a week.
The case was reported to the health officials who tested all jail staff and 178 of the roughly 380 inmates.
So there's still more than half the population represented by the other pods that still need to be tested.
As of Monday, of the inmates tested, 124 of 178 offenders had positive COVID results, and 20 of the 129 employees tested were positive as well. 12 offender tests and 3 employee tests remain in the lab, with 1 staff test returned as inconclusive.
What you heard was about a 70% positive testing rate among the inmates, and you heard about a 15% positivity rate among staff members.
Dr. Tom Frank, VDH Health Director for the Chickahominy Health District, says outbreaks like these are not surprising in these types of facilities.
When you have a congregated setting like this, and you've got people sharing bathrooms and sharing space together, it's almost inevitable that you're going to get outbreaks to a significant degree throughout the Commonwealth of Virginia. No matter what type of facility that is in that congregation-like setting, whether that's a long-term care facility or whether that's a correctional facility or a jail, you're going to get outbreaks.
Dr. Frank says what's important is that infection control measures take place rapidly, and he says that's what happened here.
We had a strike team head out there immediately. We set up the clinic. The clinic was very efficient and very smooth.
Now, Willis tells us that the infected inmates are mostly asymptomatic or showing very mild symptoms. Now, all of those infected individuals have been put into isolation, and those infected employees are on emergency paid leave. And Willis tells us that to date, there have been no hospitalizations or deaths. Working for you in Hanover County, I'm Shannon Lilly, CBS 6 News.